Welcome to my Japanese apartment. But before I show you guys that, I need to do some washing. Alright, just chopped on the washing. Now let me show you guys around the common area. So this is the common area. Yeah, let me show you my little friend Ronnie. Alright, here's the little fella, Ron Dizzle. Ronnie the king. Yeah, he's just a little hermit crab eating his little dragon fruits. Alright, so besides the common area where we all just sit, we also have the kitchen. So we have the kitchen where the doorway is half my height. But this is the kitchen behind me. Here's the sink, the other sink, the cooktop, the fridges, all the other storage things for everything else. Some cheeky little ingredients. Yeah, I just put on my washing, but it looks like it's about to rain. Uh-oh. Here's the outside washing machine and the chair I sit on a lot just to sit there and look at the sky. So just sit here like this, look at the sky. It's pretty cool. It's a nice view. That's where I hang out my washing. I'll show you guys the common area. Now to show you my little Japanese apartment. Alright, so before I show you the room, I'll show you guys the bathroom. Boom. We got the bathroom. We got my little bar of soap. Got a sink. Got the mirror. Got my shaving stuff, my hair ties. We got one kit, two kit. We got some things so I can clean my AirPods. We got some deodorant and my toothbrush. Unfortunately, there is no bidet on the toilet, so no water up my ass. Alright, for the big reveal. Here's my Japanese apartment. We got the rubbish area where I keep all my rubbish and my washing detergent. Got the on top fridge storage. Got my noodles. Got some granola bars and a hat and a cup and tissues. And yeah. Then got the fridge. I really don't be cooking. I just be drinking orange juice. Then we got the desk set up. It's a bit of a mess, but we got a little Mikey here. Got some Mikey cards. Got my GoPro case, my computer. Got the little TV. Can't really see me. You kind of can. Then we got the bed. Yeah. And then we got my clothes storage on top. It used to be a bed, but it's no longer a bed. Now it's just clothes storage. Yeah, baby. Then under the bed, I just have all my suitcases and yeah. So let's talk about how much I'm paying for this place. So it's about 120 Australian dollars, which is about like 80 US dollars a month or so. It's pretty cheap. I mean, I get paid to work because it's a dorm for the job I'm working at, which is pretty sick. But yeah, I'm just living and working basically every day. I get 7 days off a month, getting paid $8 a fucking hour. Fuck, I'm getting absolutely rear-ended by that shit, but it's okay. Sometimes you have to work as a slave to realize how much you don't like being a slave. I ain't gonna be a slave for the rest of my life. It's just for the experiences. I get to meet new people. I get to work, I guess. I get to fill in the time I'm using in Japan, so like, otherwise I'd just be bored. What the fuck would I do? But living in Japan is sick. There's so much stuff to do. It fits my lifestyle perfectly because I don't go to sleep at normal times. I fall asleep when I get home from work. Then I wake up at like 8. Oh no, I get home from work at like 8, sleep till 12, go out for food, eat food, come back, go to sleep at 3, wake up at like 7 because that's when my body like is like, it's time to wake up. So I have like 2 4-hour naps. But that's just how I live. That's how I work. That's how I've been like doing my life for about the last year. Like for this whole year I've been doing 2-hour naps as my sleep, and it works for me. So that's all I care about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We on the road to 1,000. We on the road to getting monetized because low-key my dream forever has been to be a YouTuber. If you want to support me, donation links down below. There's a couple of affiliate links. If you join up to those things, you get some money, I get some money. I got you guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.